Now we're going to talk about using a box truck for your Christmas light installation business. There's a lot of pros to it, a lot of cons to it. Let's take a look inside the box truck and how our teams are able to be efficient with the installs the way we have our inventory laid out. First things we want to do when we get to a job site is get our yard signs out there so that the customers that are driving by can see the signs, and high visibility will lead to more referrals, more phone calls. So we have one that always goes to the front and one goes to the back of the truck when we get to the job site. So you'll see a lot of the same features when we come to set up our vehicles, because if one guy's on one truck or another truck, we want them to be able to access the inventory and know where everything is. So we do a lot of things the same. This is all going to be for if there's anything on the job site that we're adding. We do have extra in case they get to a reinstall and some of the bulbs are bad, they can replace it. And again, we hang our garland up here. We have somebody that's at the shop that's fluffing the garland for us so that when the guys get to the job site, they're not spending time fluffing and pulling out of a box, because that's time. Time is money. Efficiency will reach a larger capacity for the day. We'll give you a larger goal for the season. One of the cons to having the box truck is your ladder size. The largest ladder we can fit inside of here is a 28 foot. I prefer having a 32 foot on every truck, so this does limit the box truck to certain jobs that they cannot do, but it is a very big vehicle. One of the major pros is the amount of storage that you can have in a box truck. If you're doing a lot of larger display items, the box truck is perfect for transporting. If you're doing tower trees, things like that, tons of room in there for it. Excellent.